Let's create a community of food lovers together. Cheese is a food made from cow, sheep, or goat milk. The cheese production process includes the following steps: milk fermentation, milk coagulation, cala cutting, mold pressing, aging and preservation. There are many different types of cheese. Whose creative mind did this unique dish come from? Its delicious taste is still a mystery to me. Its delicious taste is like a call, urging me to discover the hidden secret. Advanced technologies, the meat scraper can process many different types of meat without damaging the internal structure. In particular, meat scrapers also help reduce labor and risks for workers while optimizing the production process and minimizing material waste. With those advantages, meat scrapers play an indispensable role in meat processing plants and are an important part of the modern food industry. The image of each piece of fragrant meat just cut from the fresh step radiates an unmistakably attractive flavor. Each steak is meticulously cared for and prepared, from choosing the best ingredients to trimming each piece of meat to the perfect thickness and size. Bread packaging line is one of the important and indispensable parts in the mass. Bread production process. With high automation, this line helps increase productivity and efficiency of the packaging process while ensuring product quality and hygiene. The versatility of the line allows it to accommodate many different types of bread, from small to large bread, as well as a variety of bread types such as sandwich bread, loaf bread, or bread roll. With modern packaging technology, this line can automatically measure the amount of bread, package, and seal the bag accurately and quickly, helping to save time and effort for workers. Cupcakes are not only a sweet dessert but also a symbol of creativity and diversity in cuisine. Looking at the cupcakes with their smooth frosting, delicate decorations, and vibrant colors. We can't help but be fascinated by their beauty and appeal. Each cupcake is a small work of art, meticulously made from the selection of quality ingredients, harmonious combination of flavors and colors. Have you ever enjoyed the taste of popcorn? Popcorn is not only a popular snack but also symbol of the combination of delicious taste and relaxation. Each kernel of corn is roasted crispy and golden, accompanied by the fragrant scent of butter, creating a fascinating culinary experience. Not only is it an interesting snack, popcorn is also a great choice to enjoy at movie nights. Meetings with friends, or simply when you want to enjoy a special and interesting flavor. Taste. String cheese excavator is an important tool in cheese production and packaging process. This equipment is designed to automatically scoop cheese from large blocks of cheese and move them through the next steps in the production process. With flexibility. This sorting machine helps eliminate some standard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of onions has the correct weight and quantity. Expectation. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity but also ensures high quality of the final product. We're delighted you could join us on this adventure into the realm of food technology. Let us know your thoughts by liking and commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time.